How to change Duolingo profile picture. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Duolingo profile picture on your phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Duolingo app and wait for it to load. And after it's loaded, make sure you are signed in. Then here you have to tap on this face icon here in the bottom side. Then wait for it to load. Then once it's loaded, here you will see your profile picture in the top right side. Tap on it. Here you will get three options: take photo, your photos, view photo. So if you want to take a photo right now through your camera, tap on take photo. If you want to upload from your phone, tap on your photos. Then you will need to give access to Duolingo, so here tap on allow. Then wait for a few seconds and it will take you to phones gallery. Now from here, select the photo that you want to upload. After selecting, wait for a few seconds and the photo will be uploaded. And so this is how you can change Duolingo profile picture. Thanks for watching.